Oh! Alright guys, this is Bubbles, my pet catfish, and she outgrew her aquarium, so we're gonna put her in her new home. See ya, Bubbles. Oh. Biggest one of the day. Let her go. Good old dinosaur. Nice and healthy.
Okay, let's drag this catfish in.
This is a big catfish.
Woohoo! Be eating.
My biggest catfish.
What?
It's gotta be. Getting him off the bottom's a little bit tough.
Yeah. We'll be eating good tonight.
Let's see, yeah, big catfish.
Not a catfish.